Hey everyone, this is Charmaine from Fantastic Crafts. I hope all of you are having a wonderful Friday and have an even better weekend. Today we're going to be creating a pretty simple card, but I wanted to play with these rubber stamp tapestry little stamps that they have. They're like little peg stamps and they're really fun to play with. I mean, very therapeutic, and they have gorgeous stamp sets, and I just really wanted to play with it. So you'll see me playing with those a lot. So I really wanted to do a tone-on-tone blue kind of a look on this card. So I got these out, and I this is my first time playing with it, so you guys can see me playing with it for the first time, including opening the package, which is pretty simple, but I don't know why my fingers just weren't pulling those tape off quick enough. I love this set. It comes with like a large teapot, a smaller teapot, and some flowers and leaves. So it's really gorgeous. And in my house, we have some tea sets that are blue and white. So I kind of wanted to go with that, the blues and the whites. And I didn't go with a lot of white because it wouldn't show up in this cardstock. So I was like, okay, then I'll do the deeper blues or the different variation of blues. So I start with just stamping the larger teapot first. Then I went with the smaller teapot and then kind of filled in any place I thought was necessary to fill in. And I could do this for the whole background paper. I mean, I can't wait till I play with that more, because this is so much fun, guys. It's just you dip it into your ink and then put it on your paper. It's just so much fun. It's kind of hard to explain how much fun it is. So I went with the leaf, and because I was sticking with the blues, I stuck with the blues even when on the leaves. And then I went with the little flowers that it's included in the set also, and kind of filled in any gap. Then I wanted to kind of cut out the bottom part of this. Now I wasn't going on every single curve or crevice. I just kind of did a simple outline of this. The reason why I did that is because I wanted to first ink the edges, as I do all the time for the whole card. And then I also wanted to pop this up using some foam tape onto a A2 size card base. But there's something else I did to this card before I did that. I really wanted to play with this happy birthday stamp set from May Made It. So what I did was I wanted to play with that little banner piece, which is a nice banner piece, and I've never played with this particular stamp set. So I got some really nice ideas that are going to be coming up in other videos that you'll see with this banner piece. But what I wanted to do was just have 3 little banners just at different lengths. So I did the side ones a little lower and then the middle one a little higher. Once I was done with that, I wanted to put my sentiment, and because Mother's Day is coming up, I decided to go with Happy Mother's Day, just because I need a few more cards, and why not, right? And this is a really sweet Mother's Day card I felt. Now you can use any kind of sentiment, and you can also pop up the sentiment, but I just kind of wanted this layer to be one layer. Sorry about the little hand there. My daughter decided to come and help me at that point. So I used the VersaFine Clear inks once again to just stamp my sentiment. And you know what? I think I would have liked it better if I had popped it up, but it's okay. It's still pretty nice. To make that banner a little bit more apparent and visible, I just went with the little flowers and just kind of outlined the bottom part of that banner, and I really thought it popped it up a little bit more, and your eye catches the banners a little better. Now the second part of this card, or the finishing part of this card, is I had this little background piece of designer paper that was just in my stash, and I wanted wanted it to be the background of my front layered card. So all I did was I put some art glitter glue onto my little card designer paper, and then I put that right onto my A2 size card base. And once again, I went with the black because I really thought it would make my panel pop. I then took my layer and put some double-sided tape on that, foam tape, and then I just popped that up onto my card base. Now you could leave a border on the top and the bottom. I decided to just leave that little designer paper showing, just peeking through on the bottom, but you can do it any way you want. I think this card came out really cute. It's a very simple, fun card to create, and I can't wait till I start playing with this rubber stamp tapestry peg stamps some more, because the background papers I could create with this, my mind is just blowing up right now. So I can't wait to share those with you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and comment. Until next time, bye.